Hey everyone, so this video is going to be a get ready with me for my school's dinner dance. It's basically what it is in the name. It's a dance and dinner. In Australia, we don't really have homecoming, so we have this school event though, and it's called a dinner dance, and my whole year group is invited, and it is actually the night before the actual night, and I'm just gonna be doing like some pre-preparation, and then tomorrow is the big day. Tomorrow is the get ready with me, and I'll be showing you guys my jewelry and dress, and I'm really excited to show you guys my dress. I'll show it to you, but I'll blur it out, so it's gonna be absolutely pointless. Right here, this is my dress right here, and you can't see it. I'm just really excited for this day. Let's get started on some pre-prep. I love doing my own eyebrows. It's so grizzled. But this is the after. So yeah, I did my eyebrows. They look really nice. I didn't rip anything off. People that find out that I waxed eyebrows are like, how do you not rip all eyebrows? I really want to experiment with some eyeshadow looks. Big no. This is the second eyeshadow look on the camera. So this is my third eye look. Literally, I'm so bad at makeup, and I'm just realizing that now. This is an idea of how I look tomorrow, kind of. I'm using this palette right here. I set up this little mini boutique thing for myself. Nail polish, my jewelry, and my purse for tomorrow. I will see you guys tomorrow morning. I just washed my face. I took a fat shower this morning, so I don't have to worry about any of that stuff. So this hair has been up for like the whole day, so it's gonna be wavy. Yeah, so I'm just gonna moisturize before I put on primer and start my makeup. It's 4 p.m. and I have to be ready by 5:30, so it's actually kind of a big rush. Maybe I should let my moisturizer sink in for a bit. Hey guys. Okay. You know the song, September, the one that goes, do you remember the 21st night of September? Today's the 21st of September, and we're having a fun day, so I wish I had my hair out, because I look like I'm a mouse, but it's okay, I've accepted it. This is my makeup bag. It's so cute. By the way, I'm not showing you guys any of my products, but if you have questions, just comment down below, because I'm kind of in just a little bit of a rush. Put some underneath my eyes. Literally, that's it. It looks like I put on no makeup. That's so funny, ha! Anyone who does eyeshadow and stuff, it's really good to put a base where your eyes are. It blends into my eyes so well. That's how good this shade is for me. That it looks like I put on nothing. So I'm gonna use this powder. Hee, I'm a beauty guru now. It matches my skin tone really well. When I started doing makeup, let's just say that a lot of the things that I got never matched my skin tone. So it's really fun to get products that they match. Yeah, see, now there's nothing there. So I'm actually applying makeup on it. It looks like I haven't applied anything. I just realized there's a mirror. I didn't know that. You can see me. Ah. Good news, guys. I found somewhere to prop you guys higher, because it was getting a little bit awkward. So now onto the scary bit. That is the eyeshadow. I'm gonna be using this palette. I'm gonna be using this. Look how fancy this is, you guys. Yeah, very fancy. I got it from my auntie. We're gonna start off with brown. So I just wanna add on some brown shadow. Strong. And then I'm also using humble. Guys, I'm strong and humble today. We're going with strong and humble. I kind of vibe, guys. That's perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. This is fun. I only get to do this like once a year, you guys, so let me do that. Okay, we're gonna use trust. So we're being trustworthy, strong, and humble today. So I'm using trust. And I really like what I'm doing today. I'm just like brush, and I'm gonna put on humble, which you guys saw earlier. The center to right, center to outer. I don't know what you guys say. Oh, my throat. I don't like it. No! If I don't like it, then I have to redo it. I'm not sure if you guys can see what I did, but if you see the corners of my eye, I have little dashes and guides that I used with some black eyeshadow with an angled brush. This is how I started learning my eyeliner. I started with shadow as a guide before I put it on. That's what I'm gonna do today because I'm getting too stressed. I just finished doing both wings. I think it's the fact that the camera was on that made me stress out. Highlight. Here's the tea, you guys. I'm ready for hair, I'm ready for hair, I'm ready for hair. Editing this, I just realized that I really messed up with my makeup. Don't like it anymore. I don't know what you guys are thinking, but like I don't like it anymore. But it's fine. I just didn't notice, yeah. My hair is already kind of wavy. I'm done. I'm just kidding. I'm not done. But yeah, I did this earlier today just to make my hair a bit more voluminous. Both in the same city. Get me home. My window, your backyard, my cold heart. I did my lashes, my body lashes, and you can see it. It's not obvious, but I did it. Get me on, get me back, get me home. My hair makeup is done-ish. It's in the house. I'm gonna wait for it to cool down before I take it out. So the next step is to change. So here's the dress. Big reveal. This is my dress. I love it. I'll show you guys the full view. I just gotta put these earrings from the Visa, if you guys saw yesterday. You should have seen the way that you bloom. My brother said I look like someone from the 90s, which I do. I think I saw your face in the moon. I promise I'm gonna start taking my curls out in the car. On the phone. I love my earrings so much. They match with my necklace. Mwah. Bro, it's so curly, but I kind of love it. This is how many bobby pins I used on my hair today. Wow. You really make me wanna fly. Cross my heart and hope to die. Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night. Oh, do you want to be in the vlog? Yeah. You want to say hi? Hi. The mirror says, "You look good, now get back to the dance floor." It's so good! So good! God! Oh my God! The view! Look at the view! So I got my food. I tried it. Rate the food from 1 to 10. A 9. Yeah, I'd say 8 or 9. First try. It's done. Alright, I'm so tired. My feet are crying.
Photo bomb.
Oh no, it's just us two, but everyone else.